Hey friend, welcome back to Doing with Tyronzia. As always, we're gonna jump right into it. So listen, I just created my freebie, right? But because there's so much information in my freebie, I want to add it to the Fab 50 so whoever purchased the Fab 50, they can get the freebie, right? Because they already purchased it, so they missed out on this particular freebie. And this freebie is pretty much, let me just show you real quick, how to start your digital product business if you want to just sell images like these, right? So I want to add that to the Fab 50 because the Fab 50 is just pretty much showing you how to create your own prompts, how to use the AI generated images once you have created them to do whatever you want to do in your digital product business, right? If you want to just do images, right? So, okay, here it is. Let me just show you how I'm going to add my freebie into Fab 50 so that people will know what to do with the images once they get them, right? Trying to bring clarity to it. Only thing you're going to do is go right here to grid view, right? There go grid view. Now, I have in a separate tab, I have Fab 50 up. Let me do it right here. And I'm just going to go to grid view again. You have to open it up in two different tabs. So the first thing you do is open each each one up in a different Canva tab. So I'm simply going to just click on this first one, select shift, the over arrow, so I can highlight all four of these pages. I'm going to do control C to copy it, right? And then I'm going to bring the Fab 50 over here. And to me, the most perfect placement would probably be right here. So I'm just going to click here, and then I'm going to do control V. No, yeah, control V to just drop it right into it. But if it didn't drop in the place where you wanted it, you can always move it. And I'll show you how to do that. Let me see, make sure it's in the right spot. So I want it here. So what I'm gonna do is, you can do it a couple of ways. So I'm just gonna show you just in case. You can do it like this. Let me see if I can do it like this. Let's try it. Nope, I'm just gonna do page up. You can do it like this. This, to me, this is a longer version, the longer way to do it. But you can do it like that, or you can go back into the grid view and then you can simply select it, shift, arrow, control, copy, come here, then do control V to paste it. Now I gotta delete these out because I don't want stuff in here twice. And delete, because I'm trying to make it where it makes sense, right? Well, this page shouldn't be here. This page really should be there. Yep. So once they open it, it kind of gives them the different styles of AI images. It gives you like 20 ways that you can use AI images to generate income. Then here, it pretty much gives the buyer images with a background, images without, and the prompt I use to generate these images. Here, I'm trying to make sure it makes sense. So here it goes into the 5-step process to pretty much start your digital product business. If you follow these 5 steps, you can be up and running in 24 hours. Right here, pretty much told the people like, hey, I created multiple images, multiple prompts, and I tell them how to create their own prompts so they can start creating their own images. Then I give them a little idea of like if you want to make social media posts, how you can take your images, add a few flowers or whatever you want to add a scripture, words of encouragement, motivation, or even a joke, whatever you want to do. Just make sure it matches your image, right? I also gave them a lot of the different images if they just want to click and use. Once again, if you want to do a 30-day prayer journal, you can use it. You want to just make a post to encourage someone for the day. Still I rise regardless of what I'm going through. I'm still working on this one. I don't know what I'm doing with that one. And these two have to get deleted. Okay, so once again, different images, what you can do with them, meditation. We all need it, baby. We have All needed ideas if you want to do just like a magnet or a calendar. Sorry about that. Once again, one of my children walked in, but that's the beauty of digital products. You can be at home with your children and still be making money. Because right now, I got to leave and go to my craft shop in about 45 minutes because I got to work. Guess what? I got to leave my house to go work. When I'm doing my digital products, I don't have to leave my kitchen table or my bedroom or wherever I'm doing my video at the time. So ideas, you can use this as a magnet to put on your refrigerator, right? Um, this one is a mug. You can let me click on it. Let's see. So you can use these images. I actually made stickers from this one. If you look at my daily journal, it has this on it, coffee and meditation. And y'all know when I did my fast in January, I stopped drinking coffee. And now I don't like coffee no more. Like I can taste it, but I cannot drink a full cup of coffee no more. Like I can't do it. I just can't do it. So the fast kind of purified a lot of stuff. It broke some habits. But I can't drink coffee anymore. I miss it though. But anyway, you can just click on one of these images. Let me just show you. Take it off. Take this one. Layer it. Bring it to the front. Add your own words to it or shoot. Just leave it like this. Whatever you want to do with it. You do your own mock-ups. You never have to buy a product to do a mock-up again, baby. Because when I first got started into it, to offering physical products, I was buying all the products, making it so I could take a picture of it. Didn't know nothing about mock-ups. But now that I do mock-ups, baby, I'm not gonna buy nothing. I'm not gonna waste my money. I'm gonna do the mock-ups, send it to the customer, be done with it. And I haven't spent a dime. See? Let me just show you something else. I'm gonna get off of here because I don't want to be on here for less than 10 minutes. Yeah, you got your little frames down here. So if you wanted to, you know, do a mock-up of a on your iPad, showing them how you work on your iPad, your new little AI images in the box. I love those, the Barbie boxes, action figure boxes. You have a prompt in here for this. But this ain't what I logged in to show y'all. Y'all want to do wall art, you can. Like I'm telling you, it's really time for you guys to tap into it's really time for you to tap into hold on. It's really time for you to tap into the digital product world. Why? Like I always tell you, if you sell shirts, you sell tumblers, you sell whatever, that's cool. If you jumped on this graduation stole thing for graduation, that's cool, but you can only sell one product, one physical product to one customer. Whereas I have created the Fab 50, right? I can sell this. I made it one time. Now I go in it and I play with it a lot to just make it better. When I get something in my mind, I always go in and make it better. But anyway, I created it one time. I have sold it to like 50, 60 customers, the same product, 50, 60 customers. And I'm pretty sure every time they log in, they was like, can this girl please stop because you keep messing with stuff. I am, because I want to make it better. I want to make it user friendly. I want to be able to make it where when you purchase it, you can literally start your digital product business in the same day using this Fab 50, right? And also, let me just show y'all this because I made a mistake today. And when you're creating your freebie, let me show you my freebie. It's up in here. That's the one I just uploaded. When you create your freebie, if I can get to it, it'll be faster like this. Okay, here's my freebie. I'm gonna show it to y'all. And it says the 5-step process. Pretty much design, upload, get paid. That is true. Design, upload, get paid. So when I did my freebie, I'm giving them opportunities to make a purchase in my freebie. But y'all, your girl was moving too fast, and I had literally put one of my digital products in here, and I just gave them my Canva link, which would have mean they could open it up, never paid me, and they would have got my product for free. You always want to test out your product before you launch it or put it out there to the public. So you want to go through it as if you are a customer. You want to actually go to your stand store, your beacon store, whatever store you're using, and you want to you want to purchase it. I always put it for $0 so I can make the purchase without paying for it. So I always set the price to 0. And then I download it. Then I actually like go to my website like a customer would, click on it, download the PDF, click on all the links to check to make sure I put the right link in the right spot. Because what you don't want to do is give your stuff away for free. And y'all, I almost did it today. So y'all, I always tell y'all, I teach from my mistakes. So if I have made a mistake, I'll make a video or reel or something to show people how not to make the same mistakes. I told you I wish I had had me when I got started. I would have saved a whole lot of money, a whole lot of time. I would have avoided a whole lot of mistakes, but I don't want that for you. I don't want that for you. So listen, friend, go ahead, grab the freebie, because when you grab the freebie, it's pretty much going to give you the 5 steps to launch your digital product business. Now, if you want to go ahead and grab Fab 50, pay the $20, baby. It's cheap. It's real cheap, but it got a lot of information, a lot of images in it. It got like over 40, 50 prompts that you can use, tweak, make them your own. But listen, if you want to grab it, it's in the description. But if you just want to grab that freebie, grab it, because you can literally take that freebie and start earning money today. Okay, if you implement what it tell you to do. Okay? You gotta clock in now. You gotta clock in, friend. So I'm out. Bye.